What's up guys, Jason here. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple and efficient automatic Minecraft pig farm. This farm works on 1.21 and on both Minecraft Bedrock Edition and Minecraft Java Edition. This farm allows you to easily get a lot of cooked pork chop. By the way, cooked pork chop is a great source of food. For this farm, you'll need 2 chests, 1 hopper, 5 ladders, 2 dispensers, 1 water bucket, 1 lava bucket, 1 piston, 3 stone buttons, 2 glass blocks, 1 trapdoor, 1 cobblestone wall, 1 observer, and finally about half a stack of solid blocks that don't burn. A couple examples of solid blocks that don't burn are smooth stone or cobblestone. The first step is to place 2 chests. Then crouch down and place a hopper over here. Make sure the nozzle of that hopper is pointing that way towards that chest. That hopper will collect the drops and funnel them into that collections chest. Now place 2 solid blocks over here and 2 solid blocks over here. Now place 2 blocks like this. The next step is to place a dispenser over here. Make sure that dispenser is facing this way. Then place an observer at this spot. Make sure the top arrow of that observer is pointing that way towards that dispenser. Then place a stone button over here. Once you're done with that step, add a lava bucket to this dispenser. Whenever this button is pressed, the lava will be dispensed and picked up. That will cause all the pigs down here to be killed and cooked. The next step is to crouch down and place a cobblestone wall over here. This slot will allow you to feed the baby pigs if you want to speed up their growth process. The next step is to place 2 solid blocks over here. Then place a block over here and a piston at this spot. Make sure that piston is facing this way. That piston will push any baby pigs that get stuck up here down there. Then crouch down and place a solid block at this spot. Now place a dispenser over here. Make sure that dispenser is facing this way. At this point, place 2 glass blocks over here. Those glass blocks will allow you to see the pigs in this farm. Now place a trapdoor over here and open it. That trapdoor will separate the top pigs from the bottom pigs. The next step is to crouch down and place a solid block at each of these spots. Then place a button over here and a button over here. Whenever this button is pressed, that piston will extend and retract. Once you have done that, add a water bucket to this dispenser. The water will allow you to easily breed the pigs up here. The next step is to place 5 ladders over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those ladders will allow you to easily access the top of this farm. The next step is to bring at least 2 adult pigs to this top chamber. By the way, the more pigs you bring, the more efficient this farm will be. I'm now going to show you all how you can easily trap pigs over there in survival mode. To do that, first crouch down and place blocks at each of these spots. Then place 2 blocks over here. Now place 2 blocks over here, and 2 over here as well. Then create a staircase from here to the ground. Once you're done placing all those blocks, look for a pig. Once you have found a pig, hold some carrots. As you guys can see there, that should cause the pig to follow you. Now walk up these stairs. After the pig gets up here, jump over to this side. Then place 2 blocks over here. Now push the pig in there. To transport more pigs, you can break these blocks. By the way, if you want to get a lot of pigs to bring over to this farm, I recommend you first dig a hole. Then lure some pigs over to this hole. You'll need to push them in. Once there are some pigs in this hole, you can breed them using carrots. By the way, pigs have a breeding cooldown of about 1 minute in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Pigs have a breeding cooldown of about 5 minutes in Minecraft Java Edition. You can continue breeding these pigs until you have the amount of pigs you want. Once you have the amount of pigs you want, bring the pigs over to the farm. Once you have the amount of pigs you want in this top chamber, break these blocks. I am now going to do a quick fly around so you can check and make sure I've made this automatic pig farm correctly. Over here, this should be the pig chamber. Down here, this should be the kill chamber. This side should look like this. The back should have that piston. Finally, this side should look like this. I am now going to show you all how to use this farm. To use it, first go up here. Then press this button. That should cause water to be dispensed over there. That will allow you to easily breed the pigs. At this point, breed the pigs using carrots. Once you're done breeding the pigs, press this button again. That will pick up the water. Now press this button. Now go to the front of the farm. At this point, you can either wait for the baby pigs to grow up naturally, or you can feed them carrots to speed up their growth process. Once the pigs in this bottom chamber have grown into adult pigs, press this button. That will cause lava to be dispensed and picked up. That will cause all those pigs to be cooked and killed. All their drops will get funneled into this chest. As you guys can see there, the pork chop will get automatically cooked. To use this farm again, first wait for the breeding cooldown to run out. Once again, the breeding cooldown is 1 minute on Minecraft Bedrock Edition and 5 minutes on Minecraft Java Edition. Then go up here. Now press this button and breed the pigs. Once you are done breeding the pigs, press this button and press this button. Then go down here. At this point, either wait for these baby pigs to grow up naturally or feed them carrots to speed up their growth process. Once the pigs down here have grown into adult pigs, you can press this button. By the way, if you want to make this farm more efficient, you can kill the pigs using a sword that is enchanted with Looting 3 and Fire Aspect 2. Looting 3 will make them give more drops. Fire Aspect will automatically cook the meat. If this farm does not work for you, make sure you place the stone button over here. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make this simple and efficient Minecraft pig farm. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other Minecraft videos. Thanks for watching.